And we are back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to straighten a crooked horizon. So when your horizon is crooked, tilted, whatever, and you want to straighten it out, you can do that pretty easily in Gimp. Let me copy the original and we'll straighten the copy. Use the measurement tool. You can right click on the eyedropper tool, press Shift M or go to Tools, and there you should find it. You've got it set to Layer, Cubic under Interpolation, and Crop to Result under Clipping. Mode is set to Auto, and then simply left click drag. You can zoom in and then left click and drag these points exactly where you want them to be. And once you've got your horizontal line, once again we've got Cubic, Crop to Result, click on Straighten, and it's done. You can see that it resizes the image a little bit, so the original was bigger. So it makes sense to scale this a little bit up. Then you've got your original size back, and here's the comparison. So it has almost fully automatically done it. And this is how you can straighten a crooked horizon in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.